Are you tired of boring, worn-out seat covers in your Chevy Colorado? Look no further. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate guide for the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado that will not only protect your investment, but also elevate your driving experience to a whole new level of comfort and style. Imagine cruising with seat covers that scream luxury while being durable enough to withstand the daily grind. We've scoured the market and tested the top contenders, so you don't have to. Get ready to transform your ride into a stylish haven that turns heads wherever you go. Stay tuned for some unbeatable recommendations and tips that will leave you eager to revamp your interior. Don't miss out. Number 7. Zonzum Car Seat Cover for Chevy Colorado 2004 to 2025 is the ultimate choice for those seeking the best seat covers for their Chevy Colorado. This premium Napa leather seat cover features a sleek black and red line design that enhances your vehicle's interior. Tailored with high-precision 3D modeling, it guarantees a perfect fit, ensuring your comfort and style. Crafted from high-quality leather, it offers a comfortable and elastic feel while being extraordinarily beautiful. The waterproof nature of these covers means you no longer need to stress about spills. Simply wipe any mess away with a damp cloth. The installation process is quick and easy, taking just 8 minutes, thanks to the included manual and video. Plus, with the airbag-compatible design, you can drive with peace of mind. Knowing safety is our priority. Transform your driving experience with Zonzum's stylish and functional seat covers, perfect for anyone wanting to safeguard their Chevy Colorado while adding a touch of elegance. Number 6. Fane Pro Seat Covers for Chevy Colorado are the ultimate choice for those seeking the best seat covers for their Colorado vehicles, 2014 to 2022 Crew, and extended Cab Z71 LTZR 2-work truck. These custom-fit covers are meticulously crafted from luxurious Napa leather, providing a soft, durable finish that's resistant to scratches and easy to clean. The sleek black and gray design not only enhances your interior, but also wraps around the front seat armrests for a precise fit that looks and feels premium. These waterproof covers maintain your seat's functions, ensuring compatibility with seat belt buckles, cup holders, and adjustment buttons for seamless usability. Plus, installation is quick and effortless, thanks to clear instructions and a helpful installation video. With Fane Pro, transform your driving experience while preserving the integrity of your Chevy Colorado seats. Don't settle for generic covers. Opt for a tailored solution that combines style, protection, and comfort. Number 5. ROCCS seat covers are the ultimate choice for your Chevy Colorado 2015 to 2025. Crafted specifically for the Crew Cab Z71 LTZR 2-work truck, these customized seat covers combine style and functionality. Made from premium faux leather, they offer exceptional waterproof protection and are designed to withstand stains and fading, ensuring your truck remains looking fresh. One of their standout features is the airbag compatibility, with cleverly designed slots for seat belts and airbags. Keeping safety as a priority, the simple yet stylish diamond pattern elevates your interior aesthetics, making them ideal for both rugged work environments and daily drives. Installation is a breeze. Just slide them over your original upholstery, and you're ready to go without any tools. Plus, cleaning is effortless. Just mop them down, whether you're a busy professional or a family on the go. The ROCCS seat covers are undeniably the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado, merging safety, style, and durability in one impressive package. Upgrade your ride today with ROCCS. Number 4. Amsato Seat Covers 5 PCS Full Set. Designed specifically for Chevy Colorado models from 2015 to 2025, offering a perfect fit for your vehicle. These stylish black and gray faux leather seat covers not only enhance your truck's interior, but also ensure long-lasting comfort and protection. The breathable material keeps you cool, while the lumbar support cushions provide extra comfort on long journeys, making them ideal for commuting and family outings. Safety is a priority, with airbag-compatible designs that maintain functionality without compromising aesthetics. Installation is a breeze, completed in just 10 to 21 minutes. These seat covers resist spills, stains, and UV damage, making them practical for everyday use. If you're searching for the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado, look no further. The Amsado seat covers combine quality, style, and durability to redefine what your truck can look like inside. Refresh your Chevy Colorado today. Number 3. EKR Custom Fit Colorado car seat covers are the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado, specifically designed for models from 2014 to 2025. These full leather seat covers come in a sleek black finish that adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle's interior. Crafted with a 4-layer construction, they feature foam padding and a protective polyester shell, ensuring high durability, exceptional breathability, and water resistance. Cleaning is a breeze, making them perfect for everyday use. The thoughtful stitching emulates the factory seat style, while high-quality buckles and zippers guarantee a secure fit, tailor-made to the exact specifications of your vehicle's seats. These covers protect against spills, stains, and damage, keeping your seats looking brand new. Installation is user-friendly, although a snug fit may require some effort. With a 2-year limited warranty against defects, you can buy with confidence. Upgrade your Chevy Colorado today with these stunning seat covers and enjoy comfort, style, and protection on every drive. Number 2. Rough Country Neoprene Seat Covers. Designed specifically for the 2015 to 2025 Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon, these seat covers are tailored for a snug fit, ensuring your front bucket and rear bench seats are shielded from spills, scratches, and everyday wear. With a remarkable 4-layer defense system featuring foam padding, protective polyester, and water-resistant neoprene, they promise outstanding durability. The stylish black design complements your truck's interior while maintaining factory specifications, offering a fresh upgrade without sacrificing comfort. Breathable neoprene enhances your driving experience, safeguarding your seats from stains, messes, and disruption, be it from kids, pets, or outdoor adventures. Complete with headrest covers and backed by a 2-year warranty, you can embark on your journeys with peace of mind. If you're searching for the best seat covers for your Chevy Colorado, look no further than Rough Country for a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection. Number 1. Luckyman Club Colorado seat covers R02K2 are the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado. Designed specifically for the 2015 to 2022 Colorado Crew Cab Z71 LTZR2 work truck, these seat covers come in an attractive black and red faux leather finish that not only enhances the look of your interior, but also provides exceptional functionality. With fully covered headrests, you won't have to worry about displacement, and the tailored design allows for independent coverage of the 40/60 split bench seats, making it convenient and practical. What's more, these seat covers are waterproof, effectively shielding your seats from spills, dirt, and sweat, while also making cleanup a breeze with just a wet towel. The superior compatibility ensures that airbags deploy without obstruction, and baby safety seats can be easily accommodated. Installing these covers is a hassle-free process, thanks to the step-by-step guide provided in the package. Elevate your Chevy Colorado's interior with Luckyman Club's premium seat covers that balance style and practicality seamlessly. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for your Chevy Colorado can greatly enhance both comfort and style. With various options tailored to fit your needs and preferences, you're sure to find the perfect match for your truck. Remember to consider factors like material, durability, and ease of installation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support helps us bring more great content.